for the next generation. One of the ways that plants can produce offspring is by forming making seeds. The flowers must be pollinated in order to produce seeds and fruit. Seed development. 1. Seed development is initiated by fertilization. The integuments of the fertilized ovule persist and get transformed into the seed coat of mature seed. 2. Seeds sometimes consist of two distinct coverings, i.e. outer test and the inner thin tegmen. 3. In addition to these two, the nucellus in the ovule may remain as a thin, papery layer, the perisperm, e.g. some genera like black pepper and beet. 4. In some seeds, the food reserves in the endosperm are partially used up in the development of an embryo. In such seeds, the endosperm remain conspicuous and fills a greater part of the seed. Thus, the resultant seed is called endospermic or albuminous. E.g., castor, coconut, maize, etc. 5. In other seeds, embryo absorbs food reserve from the endosperm completely during its developmental stages. Thus, endosperm disappears, disorganizes. In mature seeds, such seed is called non-endospermic or X-albuminous, e.g. pea, bean, etc. 6. The cotyledons in some non-endospermic seeds act as a food storage in endospermic seeds. They are the first photosynthetic organs. 7. Micropyle persists as a small pore in seed coat to allow the entry of water and oxygen during soaking. Fruit development is triggered by hormones produced by developing seeds. After fertilization, the zygote is formed and the ovary begins to differentiate into the fruit, and ovary wall develops into pericarp. Pericarp is basically three-layered like epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp, which get differentiated in the fleshy fruit like mango, coconut, etc. Significance of seed and fruit formation. Fruits provide nourishment to the developing seeds. Fruits protect the seeds in immature condition. Seeds serve as important propagating organs, units of plant. Seeds and fruits develop special devices for their dispersal and thus help in the distribution of the species. Dormancy. Mature and viable seeds will not germinate even in the presence of favorable conditions. Seeds get dispersed at different places during dormancy. Viable seeds germinate only after completion of dormancy period. Apomixis, it is phenomenon of formation of embryos through asexual method of reproduction without formation of gametes in the act of fertilization. Formation of seed without fertilization is called as apomixis, and the seeds are called as apomictic seeds. It is the type of asexual reproduction where there are no meiosis and syngamy. Embryo develops in the ovule and ovule develops to form seed. In apomixis, when a gametophyte organ or cell produces embryo-like structure without fertilization, it is termed as apogamy. When diploid sporophyte cell produces a diploid gametophyte without undergoing meiosis is called apospory, e.g. orange, mango. The main categories of apomixerae. A. Recurrent apomixis. 1. The diploid embryo sac is produced either from an archisporal cell or from some other part of the nucellus. 2. Diplospory. The embryo sac is produced from the diploid megaspore mother cell, e.g. Tarahacum. 3. Apospory. The nucellacelles give rise to apomictus embryo sac. B. Non-recurrent apomixis. 1. Megaspore mother cell undergoes usual meiotic division and a haploid embryo sac is formed. 2. The embryo arises either from the egg by parthenogenesis or from some other haploid cells of gametophyte through apogamy. 3. Plants produced by this method are generally sterile, i.e. do not reproduce sexually. E.g. Nicotiana. C. Adventivine bryony. 1. Embryos may develop from somatic nucellular integuments along with normal zygotic embryo. 2. It common in mango, orange, lemon, etc. 3. It gives rise to a condition called polyembryona. Genetically identical plants can be produced effectively and rapidly by apomixis. Parthenocarpy. Development of fruit without fertilization is called as parthenocarpy. In these plants, the placental tissue in the unfertilized ovary produces auxonia, indole 3-acetic acid, which convert ovary into fruit. The fruit appear normal, but it is seedless. E.g. pineapple, banana, papaya, etc. Polyembryony. Polyembryony. It was first noticed by Leeuwenhoek 1719 in the seeds of Citrus genus. It will results in the germination of multiple seedlings. The additional embryos are produced because of the differentiation and development of various maternal and zygotic tissues associated with the ovule of seed. Polyembryony may be true or false depending upon whether many embryos arise in the same embryo sac or in different embryo sacs in the same ovule. Adventive polyembryony: an embryo develops directly from the diploid cell of nucleused integuments as in citrus. Cleavage polyembryony: zygote proembryo sometimes divides, cleaves, into many parts or units. Each unit then develops into an embryo. Polyembryony increases the chances of survival of the new plants. Nucell or adventive polyembryony is of great significance in horticulture. Parthenogenesis is the development of embryo directly from egg cell or a male gamete. It is a kind of apogamy. Agamospermy. Here plants produce seeds, but embryo, inside it, is produced without omitting meiosis and syngamy. Parthenocarpy can be induced artificially by spraying of gibberellins, delaying pollination, use of foreign pollens, etc. Genetically uniform parental type seedlings are obtained from Nucellera embryos.